Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got the brand new GOOLOO GP4000 jump starter kit. This product completely eliminates the need for jumper cables because it's an incredibly powerful battery that you can clamp onto the battery in your car to jumpstart your vehicle. Now, before I get too deep in all the technical specifications and amazing features this product provides, I always like to start with a quick unboxing just to show you everything that's included with the product. And I'm telling you, GOOLOO's giving you everything you need to use this product right out of the box. And then I'll explain those features and functions. I'll take a closer look at the unit as well and explain the connections and indicators so you understand exactly how to use it. And then I'll come back one more time and point out some of the special features that this product provides that you can use to compare it to other jump starter kits you may be considering. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first pop open the box, you'll find the GP4000. It's got a hard ABS exterior. It's got a really nice grip in the center here. Fits in your hand really well. It's easy to carry along. It's small and incredibly powerful. Also included, you'll find a case that you can use. It's a crush-proof case. It's a little bit water resistant. Everything fits inside the case. Now, I like a case like this for a couple of reasons. Number one, it protects everything. So when I put it inside there, I know things aren't going to get banged around in the back of the car and, get damaged. I also like the fact that it organizes everything. All of this fits inside that case, and that way when I need it, I can pull it out, open it up, and I've got everything I need to jumpstart my car and do a whole lot of other cool things. Also included is a set of jumper clamps. These are heavy-duty jumper clamps, completely insulated. You're nowhere near the metal that connects up to your battery. Really good tension there, so it's going to grab onto your battery terminals really well. This plugs into the end of the unit and provides that jumper capability. One thing on here you'll notice is a little boost button right there. Now normally you can just clamp this onto your battery and jumpstart your car, but every now and then the battery may have degraded enough where it's really low on charge, and you can hit that boost button, which delivers the maximum amount of power from the unit to your battery to jumpstart your vehicle. Now, I don't want to get into the technical specifications too early, but this has 4,000 amps of starting power, so that boost button gives you a tremendous amount of energy that will help you get that car started. Also included in the kit is a USB-A to USB-C cable. You can use this to charge the unit. You can plug this end of it into any standard wall charger. The other end, which is the USB-C, plugs into a port on the side, and that's how you'll charge it. They've also included a USB-C to USB-C cable, so you can use this to charge it from newer chargers that use the USB-C standard. But what's interesting about this is the unit can also operate as a battery bank, so you can actually use these cables to charge external devices from the unit. And then finally, there's a 12-volt courtesy adapter here that plugs into the barrel connection on the end. And this end looks like that port in your car that you use for plugging in chargers and other devices. So when you plug this in, you can plug anything in here that you would normally plug into that convenience outlet in your car and charge that when you're out and about. And then finally, there's a safety guide and a full instruction manual included that explains pretty much everything you'll ever want to know about the product. So always read through that manual to make sure you get the best value possible. All right, so let's talk about the unit. I mentioned it has 4,000 amps of internal energy. That is a lot of power to start cars. This can start any car that's powered by gas, any car on the road today that's a gas-powered vehicle, and diesel-powered vehicles up to 10 liters. So it can jumpstart a lot of different vehicles on the market today. If you're driving a gas-powered car, this will take care of it for you. In addition to being a jump starter, which is incredibly powerful, it also operates, like Ed mentioned, as a battery bank. So you can take this with you on the road. Maybe you're going on a camping trip or you're out and about on a hike. This is a tremendously powerful battery bank that has 3 connections on the end of it. 2 of them are USB-A, one is a USB-C right there, and those can be used just like a charger at home. The USB-C provides up to 15 watts of charging power, so it charges things really quickly. The 2 USB-A ports, one of them is 5 volts at 2.1 amps, so it's a fast charger, but the other one is an incredibly powerful port. It's a quick charging port. Now, if you understand the quick charging standard, it's a way of quick charging a device that basically looks at the device you plugged into that port, and it determines what the current charge level of that device is, and it can digitally adjust the voltage and current to quickly and safely charge that device. So you're going to get a fast charging, a super fast charging port out of that USB-A QC port. In addition to that, you've got a port to connect up to 12 volts. So you've got not only a jumper that you're going to use in your car occasionally, but a battery bank that you can use pretty much every day if you're an outdoor person. And then finally, There's a powerful flashlight in the end of it right here that you can use as well. Maybe you're off to the side of the road changing a tire and it's dark out. You can turn that on solid. It's going to throw plenty of light on your vehicle to show you where those lug nuts are so you don't drop them and lose them in the grass. You can also put it in flashing mode. Maybe you're broken down on the side of the road, put it in flashing mode, put it down, cars will see that you're over there and avoid you. And then the third mode is SOS. So if you've got somebody around that understands Morse code, put it in the SOS mode and they'll go, hey, there's SOS, somebody needs some help over there, let's go see what's going on. So I like it a lot because in a lot of ways, it's a multi-function product. You can use it if you need to jumpstart your car. It does a wonderful job of that. But I find that I use it more as a battery bank because it's really powerful and as a flashlight. But just knowing I have this in my car means I'm protected from most of the hazard that I've got out there on the road. And it's got a really nice case where everything is organized and it's in the back of my car. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at it. And then I'll come back and point out some of the things that separate this from a lot of other jump starter kits on the market today. The GP4000 features a high-impact plastic case which makes it really lightweight and durable, and they've also designed the corners to be extended, which will take some of the impact if you drop this on a hard surface and keep the sides from cracking. On the top, you'll find a power button right there. If you tap that, you'll turn the unit on. It'll actually strobe up and show you the current charge. Each of these represent 25% of the battery capacity, so right now I'm at 100% charge. If you don't plug anything in or use it, it'll turn off after a couple of seconds to conserve the internal battery power. On the one edge, you'll find the output for the 12-volt connector. I showed you this earlier. That's a standard 12-volt outlet for your car. You simply plug that in there, and you can plug anything into this that you would normally plug into your car. On the other side, you'll find the connection for the jumper clips. You can peel this back gently, and then inside there is the connection, and you'll notice it's polarized, so when you plug the jumper cables in, you can't get it backwards. So plug those in there, connect them up to your battery, and jumpstart your car. On the one end of the unit, you'll find 3 USB connections right there. A USB-C that provides 5 volts at up to 15 watts, and then 2 USB-A connections there, and they look the same, but they're slightly different. The white one provides 5 volts at 2.1 amps, which is pretty standard for a USB connection. The blue one is a quick charge port, and that's an intelligent port that when you plug a quick charge device into it, it interrogates that device to find out what its current charge level is, and it can vary the voltage and current to quickly and safely charge that device. And then finally, the flashlight is to the left of that. Now to turn that flashlight on, you'll power up the unit, and then you'll hold down this button for a couple of seconds, and you'll see it come on full. And then if you tap it again, it'll move into flash mode. Tap it again, it moves into SOS mode. Tap it again, it turns off. And again, if you don't connect anything to the unit or jumpstart your car, this will turn off after a couple of seconds. And that's pretty much it for the unit. I hope that closer look was helpful. Now here are a few really important things to keep in mind when you're comparing the GOOLOO GP4000 Jump Starter Kit with other products you may be considering. The first thing has to do with the amount of power that any jump starter provides, and a lot of the kits on the market may provide up to 2,000 amps or 3,000 amps of starting power, which can limit the type of vehicle you can actually start with that product. This unit provides up to 4,000 amps of starting power, which covers all gas-powered vehicles on the market today and diesel vehicles up to 10 liters. So it actually covers a wider range of vehicles that you can jumpstart with this product, because obviously the bigger the vehicle, the bigger the battery, and the bigger the jump starter you need. So knowing you've got 4,000 amps of starting power means you'll never have to worry about jump starting a car. It'll just connect up, turn your key, and you're on your way. Another big difference with the GP4000 is the protection mechanism built in, because what you've got here is a collection of batteries that are incredibly powerful. And batteries have a way of misbehaving over time, especially in hot environments or cold environments. So GOOLOO has built in 10 protection mechanisms that cover things like overcurrent, undercurrent, temperature, short circuits, a lot of other things that could cause issues with a standard jumper kit like this. A lot of other products on the market may not have any protection at all, or they may have very minimal protection. And if I'm carrying a really powerful battery in my trunk or in my back seat, I want to know that if the batteries decide to do something non-linear, that I've got protection mechanisms built in. Another nice difference is that this unit provides 3 USB connections on the end. 2 of those are USB-A, one's a USB-C, and one of those USB-A connections is a quick charge port. Now, other battery charging units like this on the market may provide a port or two, but they probably don't include a quick charge port. Maybe they don't have a USB-C port. So by providing both the USB-A and USB-C and providing the cables means you can use this immediately to charge things like a cell phone or a tablet, a drone battery, anything you pretty much charge at home, you can charge off the unit. I really like the fact that they've included a 12-volt adapter as well, because normally if you've got this out on a camping trip, you've got USB connectivity, but adding this means if you're using some type of charger in your car or some other device you plug into your courtesy outlet in the car, you can plug this into the unit and actually charge it off the batteries inside there. So it expands the use case of what this product can be used for. And then finally, I like the fact that they've included the flashlight. Now, a lot of the charging units have a flashlight on it, but this one's on the end, which is where I need it if I'm going to be working on my car. I can stand it up like this or stand it up on the side of the road. It's off the ground so people can see if it's flashing that I'm off to the side of the road. So I think GOOLOO's done a great job, not to mention the ABS high impact plastic case and the grips on either side, which make it really easy to bring it along. I think GOOLOO's done a great job in thinking about what a charging kit should include, and not only making it powerful enough to start, again, all gas vehicles on the road and diesel vehicles up to 10 liters, but then what could they do in addition to that? They've got this incredibly powerful battery bank that does a great job of jump starting a car. Couldn't they use the power in those batteries to charge external devices? Well, sure, they could build a circuit in that converts that energy to a standard USB port, both USB-C and USB-A. Couldn't they use it for a 12-volt adapter as well, because a customer might have something they plug into their dashboard that they'd like to take on a camping trip with them? And then finally, let's put a flashlight in the end of it that makes it really easy to change a tire or let people know you're off to the side of the road. So what you've got here, I think, is like an emergency kit for your car that'll jumpstart it. It'll help you change your tire with a flashlight. It'll allow you to charge your phone if it's getting a little bit low. And you can use it for things other than car-related issues. You can take it with you on a camping trip or maybe throw it in your backpack, and you've got a powerful battery bank that you can take out and use whenever you need it out there in the field for extra power. So that's pretty much what I had for today. I think it's a great product, and GOOLOO's a company that's been building a wide range of these style of products for quite some time, so they really know what they're doing. There are a lot of new companies that have entered the market that I haven't seen before. GOOLOO's one that's been around for a while, so you can trust them to build a product that's going to last and that's incredibly safe. So thanks an awful lot for watching. I hope you found value in this clip. Until next time, as always, stay nerdy.